Dr. Mahadev, we'll talk about vaccines next. A large number of Indians believe in natural therapies like Ayurveda and traditional forms of healing. In fact, Ayurveda has thousands of years of history in India, and a good many don't believe in allopathic medicine. In fact, they hesitate and even refuse to get vaccinated. With all due respect for people's beliefs and sentiments, what can we do about highlighting the value of vaccination? And which vaccination do you recommend?
Thank you. More great questions, Amla. As we discussed earlier, we've learned a lot about COVID-19 over the past 2 years. We've learned that some medications can be helpful in patients with COVID. And as I mentioned previously, inhaled steroids can prevent COVID complications when given to the right patients. Unfortunately, many medications and treatments are unproven and potentially harmful. Sometimes we say less is more. It's better to take less therapies that are proven than more unproven therapies. With regards to the vaccine, we have a lot of incredible evidence that shows that vaccinations are saving lives. Vaccines not only stimulate the development of antibodies, which can fight the COVID infection, but we're also learning that they stimulate and strengthen our immune systems. This is one of the important reasons why vaccinated individuals have been protected from COVID variants like the Delta variant. Finally, vaccines are safe, much safer than getting a COVID infection. And even if you've had a COVID infection and recovered, you should still get vaccinated. We know the vaccines are safe because we have a lot of published scientific evidence about their safety. And that's why I chose to get vaccinated. That's why I got my parents and my children vaccinated. What about the complications of vaccines? The complications of the COVID vaccines, such as allergic reactions or blood clots, are extremely rare, much less common than the complications of getting a COVID-19 infection. And allergic reactions are treatable. So when we get vaccinated, we are not only protecting ourselves, but also our parents, our grandparents, our children, and our loved ones. Ultimately, when the world is vaccinated, this pandemic will end. I'm often asked, which vaccine is the best vaccine? Many of the available vaccines have been shown to be very effective. So get the vaccine that's available to you. The best vaccine is the one that's in your arm.
I do believe your guidance was loud and clear. So we must project the vaccination drive as a safety and prevention program and not as a medicine. And here we need to appeal to everyone to join the vaccination drive if they want their community to be safe. Because even if they have a strong immunity, the virus can use them as a carrier to infect others. Vaccination creates safe zones and will enable us to return to normal. What a wonderful thought. Vaccinations will ensure the illness does not get the better of us or our loved ones.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Dr. Mahadevan.